Today, we are finally going to decorate for outside, or at least for some of it, and do the planter for spring. Goodbye, Valentines. You're way past overdue. This fake boxwood bunny planter pot is a little bit wider. The pot on the bottom is a little bit wider than the pot on the heart. So I'm going to have to take out these other cyclamen plants before I put the bunny in, and I have to go find another pot. Well, that one didn't look too good. I think next year I need to get a new different Valentine's door decor. That little bear just doesn't look right on this door. This door's a lot bigger than my last one. So I've got to get some new door decorations. Okay, let's try this again. Well, that took a little bit longer than anticipated, but I think it works. I think it looks good. And now it's time to put all the other little plants in. But first, let's move out and change the doormat for spring. So, the plants we are putting into our spring container today are these little muscari, the little blue hyacinths, and then some pink lemonade, nemesia. And then we've got your basic pansies and some little violas, viola sunshine. And then we also have some purple, bigger hyacinths. Oh, this pink lemonade nemesia smells so good. Smells like coconut. Coconut with a little hint of lemon. It smells wonderful. Just adding in some carrots, not real ones. And this is my little black cat Gia who is joining me today. She's definitely not as obnoxious as Dexter. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave those little carrots in or not. I might take them back out. And here's the planter in all of its glory. I think the hyacinths will bounce back after me dividing them. I think they'll be okay. And I think that's where that is going to stay for now. The other little viola is facing the opposite direction, but I think it's cute. From a distance, you can't tell that the carrots aren't real, but up close, they're just yarn. Can't really see the nemesia as well as I thought you would be able to, but It's cute. That's it for today. Here it is 2 weeks later, and the hyacinths are in full bloom. You can see it much better, and I think it looks springy and cute. Thanks for watching, and until next time, feed the pollinators for me.